This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Fluid Form Bio, developing innovative 3D printing living pancreatic tissue to help combat type 1 diabetes. For the first time, you can join this visionary mission. Visit fluidformbio.com or their page on Start Engine to learn more about this exciting work. Monday morning, 1 degree outside today, the 24-hour forecast. Meteorologist Matt Noyes. Look, there's a new weather pattern coming this week, and we've got it in Noyes Notes. We're talking about yellow dust that's increasing. That's the pine pollen. So if you're allergic to pine pollen, I am. You're going to feel it. It's going to build the next week, week and a half, and then you got to be through it. Pine's one of the last tree pollens we got to get through. Heat this week is classic New England. We talked about this last week in pattern predictions, didn't we? How this would be the week nature was going to flip the switch, and we were just going to go to summer like New England always does. And that is the case between now and 2 days from now. That's all it takes. Late week thunderstorms come in on Thursday and Friday. Some of them may linger into Saturday. I don't think it would surprise us, but hey, it's a new weather pattern, so maybe we'll get lucky in that regard too. But so far, it looks like some of the showers may be able to linger into Saturday. We'll see how it turns out. Today's awesome. The summer heat's not here yet. It feels great. The school day feels like forecast. Maybe a thin, long sleeve this morning. Then shorts and short sleeves if the kids want to do it. Even on the Cape, the water around is warming up enough. It's still cold, but it's warming up enough. You can get up into the 60s on a day like today. Most of us can get up near 70 or over 70. We'll do the same thing all the way to the Lakes region. New Hampshire Seacoast comes up close to 70, and we do the same thing as well from Bellows Falls running up to Windsor. North Country, you see a little bit of green on the map here, so I'll show you that in a minute, but basically there's a pop-up shower here and there for today. Champlain Valley still comes close to 70. Most of us in northern New England are in the 60s, and in Maine, you've got a little rain this morning with a leftover shower in the afternoon, and you're pushing to get to 60 degrees or so. Here is the predicted radar as we go through the morning. We take the rain that's been coming out of the northeast kingdom of Vermont, carry it through northern Maine. Any of the last showers coming off the eastern Mass coast in the early morning don't really come back. You'll see the sprinkles and light showers that build this afternoon across the mountains. Some of that makes it down to the Maine coast. I think when you start to talk about southeast New Hampshire from Manchester to the coastline or northeast Mass and Middlesex and Essex County, it's maybe a sprinkle or a light shower during the afternoon. That would be about it. Some pretty clouds, though, that are bubbly ones. Cumulus clouds will be with you. And then you clear out during the overnight tonight. You do get cool tonight, down to the 40s for a bunch of us, but no frost to worry about or anything like that, right? Just enough to make you realize it's a cool, dry air that's coming in. That doesn't last long. Hey, one of the things that I talked about in Sunday Evening Essentials, it's still on our website and at the top of our app right now if you want to check it out, or we'll cover it again in Insights coming up later today, is that when we get that heat later on this week, you're going to be talking about air quality going down. Wildfire smoke starts to come into play out of Canada and Texas. We're also talking about big thunderstorms by the end of the week, as I mentioned in Noyes Notes. So we'll see you with all that again right now on Evening Essentials from last evening that's up, or coming up in just a little bit at Insights. Thanks for staying with us here at 1degreeoutside.com.